Hi dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. Dear students, in this video I am going to read your lesson 2. Okay? Lesson 2, Bahmani Adil Shahs. Okay? Introduction. In the history of Karnataka, Vijayanagara Empire was established in 1336 CE. Later on 3rd August of 1347 CE, the first Muslim dynasty Bahmani Empire came to exist. Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah was the founder of this empire. Battles were taking place continuously between the Bahman Sultans and Vijayanagar kings. Inner conflicts rose in the dynasty, and by 1527 CE, 5 Shahs dynasties came into existence. Among them, Adil Shahs of Vijaypur were prominent. Main achievements of sultanates of this dynasty are discussed in this lesson. They also gave prominence to literature, art and sculpture. The achievements of Sultan Firoz Shah and famous Prime Minister Muhammad Gawan are discussed in this lesson. With this, Bahmani states significant contributions are also discussed. Competencies. To know the contributions of Firoz Shah and Muhammad Gawan. To recognize the contributions in the field of literature, art and sculpture by Bahmani Sultans. To mark the important places of Bahmani Sultans on map. To know the important sultans among Vijaypur Adil Shahs. To know art, literature and sculpture of this period. Bahmani kingdom was also established in the northern part of Vijayanagar Empire in 1347 CE. CE means Common Era. Its founder was Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Bahman Shah was working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Bahmani Sultans 1347 to 1527 Common Era. Bahmani kingdom had the parts of present Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana states under its rule. In the beginning, Kalaburgi and later Bidar were their capitals. Bahmani Empire was in northern part of the Krishna river and Vijayanagar Empire was in southern part of Krishna. Tajuddin Firoz Shah was the great sultan in Bahmani dynasty. Tajuddin Firoz Shah 1397 to 1422 century. Okay. He was liberal, judicious and a believer of God. He made copies of Quran and edited it for his whole life. He was a writer, encouraged all languages and he was an expert in geometry and theology. He sheltered many philosophers, poets, artists and had honored them. He established an observatory in Daulatabad, Maharashtra. He propagated the beauty of his capital Kalaburgi. He built a new city called Firozabad, and the bank of Bhima river. He gifted many villages to a Sufi saint, Bande Nawaz, who arrived in the kingdom during his period. He concentrated on the development of ports, and as a result, foreign trade was encouraged. Next, Muhammad Gawan, 1463 to 1481 CE. All credits of making Bahmani dynasty great goes to Muhammad Gawan. Basically, he was a Persian and worked honestly as a prime minister in the region of Sultanate Muhammad Shah III. Prominent Bahmani sultans Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah, Firoz Shah, Ahmad Shah and Muhammad Shah III. Important factors. Muhammad Gawan captured Hubli, Belagavi and Goa from Vijayanagar Empire. Administration was according to the Islamic laws. He encouraged revenue and postal services. He fixed taxes on the basis of lands, fertility and irrigation facility. Tax was collected in cash. Removed some taxes which were annoying the people. As a philosopher himself, Muhammad Gawan founded Madrasa University in Bidar. It encouraged Islamic religious and legal education. Astronomy, mathematics, history were being studied here. Free education and hostel facilities were provided. Around 3,000 manuscripts were in the library of Madrasa. And last point, Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot in making the Bahmani kingdom great. Regional leaders were jealous of his fame and conspired to have him murdered. On the Gawan's tomb, it is written that innocent Gawan was killed.